Kids Let's Draw. Today we're drawing a Christmas stocking.
Christmas stocking? Are you excited for Christmas?
Yes.
What do you like most about Christmas, Ava?
I like getting presents.
You do? Do you like your Christmas stocking?
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun, huh? Should we draw candy canes like your cute candy cane dress?
Yeah.
All right, thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. We're going to draw a Christmas stocking with candy canes because we love Christmas, huh? Don't forget to like and subscribe and visit us on Patreon, and we are excited to draw with you. Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we are getting our black or dark marker with a pointed tip. We're gonna find the center of our page. Can you find the center of your page with your finger?
Right here.
Yep. You don't need to draw, you just find it with your finger. And then we're gonna do a stocking that sits right in the middle, okay?
Yeah.
So here we go. Follow what I do and we will draw a Christmas stocking. Here we go. We're gonna do some bumps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3 up here. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna do 6 again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna connect right there. Connect 6. Good job. All right, cool. Now we're gonna do the stocking coming down here. So we'll go a line down, short line, a line coming down, short line. We'll extend this line down a little further. Curve. Okay. We'll come down here, down, curve to the toe of the stocking, and we're gonna connect to the line. Connect. Does that look like a stocking, kind of?
Yeah.
I think so. Looks good. All right. Should we draw? Let's do a candy cane poking out of the stocking. Does that sound good?
2.
2? All right, let's do it. We go up, curve like candy cane, and stop.
Stop.
Almost like an upside down J, huh?
Almost. It's like an F except the line.
Kind of looks like an F. Good job. Okay, we're gonna come around, stop.
Stop.
Go up and little curve down into the stocking, stop.
Stop.
Good. Do you like candy canes?
Yeah.
What do you like about them?
I like
Do they taste good?
Yeah.
All right, let's do a little Christmas gift in here. So let's go
A present.
up a present,
Up.
kind of at an angle, and then we'll go another line at an angle. Good, that looks really good. And then we're gonna connect this line at an angle down into the stocking. Here we go. Slowly down and stop. Good. Let's do a bow on top. So we're gonna do a circle. We'll do two ribbons over here. Here we go. 1. Stop.
Stop.
And we'll do another one on this side. Big ribbon and stop at the box.
Big ribbon. Stop.
And on the inside we'll go stop at the box. So that's the inside of the ribbon. Same thing over here. Start at the circle, go out, and down to the box. Nice work. Should we do one more candy cane poking out right there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go start at the box, go up,
Up.
and stop in that candy cane.
Stop. And that can.
Yeah, this is kind of start of the candy cane, come out, go down into the. That's kind of a hard drawing, but you did really good. Should we do a face on our stocking?
Yes.
Okay. A happy face?
Yeah.
All right. These are gonna be like 2 little rainbows. Ready? 1 rainbow,
2 rainbow.
2 rainbow.
And then we're gonna put some eyelashes.
Ooh, I like eyelashes. I'm gonna make my eye a little bit thicker. 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. Make my other eye a little bit thicker.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Now let's do the
Let's
mouth.
do a mouth. All right. Right here between the two eyes. Go up and stop.
Stop.
And then we'll go down,
Down.
curve, and up. Yeah, that looks awesome. Now let's do a line right here.
Wait, last
What's up?
time did we go?
Yeah, okay. Let's do a line over there and color this in black for the mouth. Stay in the lines. That looks fun. Good job. And I think that will be our outline for the stocking, and
wait
we'll
for
color
me.
it. That's okay, I'm waiting. So now, while she's coloring that mouth black, I'll tell our viewers, we're gonna get a green marker. I'll wait for you.
I'm already done.
Good job.
Wait, are we gonna put some freckles on?
Yes, we'll do that last.
Wait,
Okay.
where's mine? Oh,
We'll color this stocking, and then we'll put some dotted freckles. Or should we do it now? Well, we'll do it last. Get your green markers,
green? Wait, which one?
either side.
Wait, what? Ah! Wait, ah!
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes these markers are challenging, huh? Oh, there you go. You can put your lid right there if you want.
Okay.
So we get our mark, and we're gonna make the toe a green patch. So what? Follow me. Here we go. Go over and stop. Go. Let's do one on the heel. Go up and stop.
And stop.
We'll make some stitches, and we'll color this in green, and we'll color this in red. And let's put our greens down for a minute. Should we do the candy cane marks? Get a red, pointed. See right here, you can see the pointed tip?
Right here?
Yep. We're gonna go up to our candy cane, and here's what we'll do. Inside the candy cane, we're gonna make stripes, just like your dress. Here we go. Down,
Down.
down,
Down.
down, down.
Down. Down.
See how they're at an angle?
Down. Down.
And we're gonna start to,
Down. Do we do it on the another one?
yeah, and we'll do it over here too.
Down.
Down, down,
Down. Down.
and we'll color
Down.
these stripes red, just like your candy cane.
Down. Done.
Peppermint. Okay? So in the fast forward, what we're gonna do is we're gonna color inside these stripes, just like
Wait,
that.
what?
We don't have to do it now, I just wanna show the viewers what we'll do. We'll color the rest of those red. What color should we do our box?
Red.
You wanna do a red box?
Yeah. And
You choose whatever color and I'll choose. I'm gonna do a blue, just for fun. Maybe purple. I'm gonna do a purple. And what color do you wanna do? Red?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going
Are
to
we
get,
coloring it in now?
I'm gonna do a down, down.
Wait, are we
Over. This is the ribbon.
Are we coloring it in?
Yeah. You wanna make a ribbon?
No.
Okay. You can if you want to, and you don't. And then I'm gonna color around my ribbon. I'm gonna leave my ribbon white for now and color these squares a purple or whatever color you chose. She's doing red over there. Stay in the lines. There we go. And then what color should I do the ribbon? Should we do, let's do yellow for me. I'm gonna do yellow. What color do you wanna do?
I'm gonna do green.
Green's a great choice because it matches, huh? So I'm gonna do my ribbon yellow. You can do whatever color you want. That's what makes it so fun. It makes it yours. I like to leave a little bit of white in my ribbon to represent maybe a little reflection. See that? And then I'm gonna color inside this ribbon on the box. And you're doing green, huh?
Yep.
All right, cool. It's looking good. That looks really good. That looks very festive and Christmas-like. Good job, Ava. All right. So now we are going to fast forward. Should we do our, we're gonna do red and then green, and we'll outline it in black. So we're gonna fast forward. Say, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.
A stocking for Christmas. Fast forward now.